Today is our vacation day!
Everybody is very happy today.
I am very excited for the trip. I want to sit near the window.
You always say that. You always say that.
Do we have enough food for the trip?
Yes, we have sandwiches, apples, and juice.
I want ice cream later.
Maybe after lunch.
Everything looks good.
Please drive carefully today.
Everybody smile for a picture.
Where is the water bottle?
It is there.
Everybody ready? Yeah.
Yes!
The weather is beautiful today. Please enjoy the trip together.
I want many beautiful pictures today.
You are a very good photographer.
This is the best day. Here are some snacks. Thank you, Mom.
Look at the beautiful flowers.
The mountains are not very far now. We are going on a trip.
Yes, the day is nice.
The flowers are very pretty. I like this song. I like this song.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it is sunny.
This is a good family day.
We are happy together.
We are happy to be here.
This place is very nice.
I like this cafe.
It feels so good here. Here is your order.
Thank you very much.
Wow, this looks good. I am very hungry. This cake is very good.
Is it tasty?
Yes, it is very sweet. I like this place. Yes, it is very calm.
I am very relaxed. This vacation will be wonderful.
Yes, I am very happy. This is the best day.
I love this moment.
We are here.
Wow, horses.
Look at the horses. They are so big. I will take photos. They are beautiful.
Do not go too close. It is not safe.
This place is so peaceful.
I love this day.
The water is very blue.
Come here, little ducks.
Everybody smile.
This place is very peaceful.
They are so cute.
I like this day.
The sunset is beautiful.
Today was a perfect day. I love the mountains.
Here, take some apples.
The air is fresh.
This sandwich is very good. This trip is wonderful.
I want to stay here longer. Me too. We have more food.
Yay! I am hungry.
The birds are beautiful.
Nature is amazing.
Look at the birds. Let's clean our picnic area.
I can help.
Good job, everyone. Ready for the next adventure?
Yes.
Quickly, run to the car.
This is fun!
Oh no, my shoes.
Everyone okay?
That rain came so fast. I love storms. Ugh, my shoes are completely soaked.
Wow. Did you see that lightning?
I hope the weather gets better soon.
Let's wait here until the rain stops.
Hot chocolate time. Welcome inside.
Can I get hot chocolate?
Can I get hot chocolate? Okay. Maybe the rain was fun after all.
Looks like the adventure continues.
A rainbow!
It is beautiful.
I want a rainbow photo.
It looks very nice.
I got it! Look, Daddy!
It's absolutely magical, sweetie.
Here is your warm tea.
Thank you, Mom.
What a lovely evening. Yes, very special.
I can see the forest.
The air is very nice.
I can see the forest. This bed is very soft.
The air is very nice.
Now we can relax. This place is beautiful.
This hotel feels very cozy.
We are having a nice dinner tonight.
Yes, this place is very beautiful. The food looks very tasty.
I am hungry. Ice cream is my favorite. You always eat ice cream.
He really loves ice cream.
Yes, he is very happy.
So sweet and cold. I like it. This is a happy dinner.
Yes, we are together.
This is a perfect family evening. I love our trip.